Hi guys, welcome to Galbi's kitchen. I assume that many of you are self-isolating at home to practice social distancing amid COVID-19. Staying at home and being not able to meet my friends and socialize is really difficult for me. Previously, I have shared Korean recipes that mainly use kimchi. Some of you asked me how to choose good kimchi and where. Well, instead of answering that question, I thought I'd share how to make your own kimchi at home. As many of you might know already, every single household in Korea has different kimchi recipes. My recipe is not the only way to make kimchi. Without further ado, I will guide you how to make kimchi step by step. Let's get started! Cut the cabbage lengthwise through the stem into halves. And then cut out the cores. Cut it lengthwise one more time into quarters. Cut each quarter crosswise into 2-inch wide strips. Slice 200 grams of Korean radish or daikon radish into strips. Cut 5 green onions into 2 inches long. Place the cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle with the salt per layer. Make sure you use the sea salt. Add 5 cups of water into a bowl. Massage the salt into the cabbage until it starts to soften a bit. And let it sit for 4 hours. Let's start with making porridge. Add 5 tablespoons of rice flour or wheat flour into a pot. And then add 1.5 cup of water. Boil it over low heat for 5 minutes. Stir it up frequently so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. As you know, kimchi is fermented food, and this porridge becomes a great source of probiotic bacteria. Turn off the heat when it becomes thick and cool it down. Pour the porridge into a bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add 2 cups of gochugaru, the Korean chilli flake, and mix them well. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. This is salted baby shrimps. Add 3 tablespoons of it, but this is optional, so if you can get this, forget about it. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix them well. Add the radish into a bowl now. Oops, the bowl is too small. Now I have to change the bowl. Mix the radish with the sauce and keep it aside. Rinse the cabbage in the cold water. Drain out the water for 20 minutes. Gently squeeze any remaining water from the cabbage and place them into a large bowl. Combine the cabbage and the sauce and add green onion. By using your hands, gently mix them thoroughly. Get the container and pack the kimchi into it. Press down on the kimchi until the liquid rises to cover the cabbage. Leave at least 1 inch of space at the top. Seal the container and let it stand at room temperature out of direct sunlight for 24 hours. If you have a good kimchi, you don't need any other dishes. Just rice and kimchi. I'm gonna put it on the rice and then eat it together. It's really good. I know it takes a lot of time to make kimchi, but if you have one big container of kimchi like this, you will be able to make other Korean dishes. I hope you guys find it easy to follow the steps with my kimchi recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, give me thumbs and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and strong. Bye.